Hey Siri, turn on LED.
Okay, the LED is on.
Welcome to your my YouTube channel. This video I am going to discuss how to use if and else statement in our program. So previously we have discussed the introduction of C and how to use Turbo C++ to develop C program and the basic data types we are using in C. So basically in this example if else statement, so I am so example is like this. So we need to develop an application for institution or any school. So they can put their student marks to their system, and whether the based on whether the mark is greater than 50, the output should be a pass. Whether the marks less than 50, the output should be as a fail. So first I define a variable for assigning marks. So I use integer type variable called mark, and I assign value as a 60. Right. We need to check the 60 is greater than 50 or not. If the 60 is greater than 50, we need to output as a pass. If the marks less than 50, we need to output as a fail. So if mark greater than or equal 50, actually this is the way how we define if statement. So if and the condition mark greater than or equal 50 and the scope of if, so we can print here printf pass and the else part. Else mean if the condition fail, let's print right. So I define mark variable and assign mark value as a 60, and I define if statement for check the whether mark is greater than or equal 50. If mark is greater than or equal 50, it will print pass, else it will print fail. So I use getCH function for hold in my screen, and I use CLR SCR function for clear screen. Right, then press Ctrl F9 for compile and run. You can see here the output we get as a pass because 60 is greater than 50. Right, then I change the value of mark as 25 according to my program. So the mark is 25, it less than 50, the output should be a fail. Let's see, Control and F9 for compile and run. You can see here the output as a fail. Right, then I going to do little modification to this program. So I need to get mark as a user input, as a user keyboard input. So in C we can use scan function for get user input to our program. So let's see how it's used. So I assign my mark value as a 0, and I print I use some print statement for enter mark. So now user can see the enter mark in screen, then user can enter the mark. So this is the way you scanf function and get keyboard input to our application. Scanf and percentage mark d for integer variable and ampersand the variable, right? So user can see the enter mark, and then user can enter any marks for any value for marks using keyboard, and it will assign the mark variable, and based on this condition we can get output whether the student pass or fail. So control F9 for compile and run. So we can see here enter marks, so I enter 30, so you can see output as a fail. I run it again. Let's we enter the value as 70. We can see the output pass, right? So in this example I will explain how to use if and else statement. Right, hope you guys got idea about how if and else statement working in C. Generally this is the way all the program languages use if and else statement. So hope you guys can understand. Next session will be switch and case statement. So we are going to check multiple conditions using case and switch in C. So hope you guys like my videos and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.